Hello, my name is Linda Falag, and I will be your instructor for English 101 this summer. Here is the home page for our Canvas course. Have you used Canvas before? If not, let me take you to the Community College of Philadelphia homepage, ccp.edu. You'll need to scroll down Academic Offerings to Online Learning, and go to the bottom of the page. You'll see yellow box, and this box will explain to you how to get started with an online course. You'll need to set up a password, a new password, and they'll explain to you how to use Canvas. Once you've done that, then you can enter our course, which will be fully published before the semester begins. And our home page is a list of 7 modules, each module for 1 week of work in the summer. This is a very short term, so you'll see there's a lot packed into each week. But that's the reason you're taking a summer course, to get this over with as soon as possible, right? Okay, so each week will be organized pretty much the same way. We'll start with an overview page. For week 1, the overview page explains that all weekly assignments will be due mostly on Sunday at midnight, but a few will be due on Thursday at midnight. And this is the calendar. Our course begins Monday, May 14th, ends on June 26th, with the final being on the 27th. Every overview page for each week will also include a list of objectives. At the bottom of each page, you can click on Next, and that will move you through the entire module for that week. Okay. One important spot are the reading assignments. They're spelled out to you every week. You have one book called The Underground Railroad by Colson Whitehead, and you'll have ancillary readings and videos. They'll be all from the internet or from PDF files. So you don't have to buy anything but this one book, The Underground Railroad. All right, so if we just kind of scan through the weeks, the 7 weeks, you'll see that you're going to be writing 4 essays plus a final exam essay. In essay 1, you're going to write an outline and a list of sort of ideas called brainstorming for that essay, and then you'll write a first draft. The first draft will only be counted 10 points. I'll give you lots of feedback, and then in week 2, you'll write the final draft of this paper. So for essay 1, you're going to have 2 chances to write your essay, and hopefully this gets you accustomed to what I'm expecting you to do in an academic essay. Then with essay 2, you will be on your own. You'll be writing the brainstorming and outlining, and then you'll be doing a final draft. Same thing with essay 3. And then for essay 4, you're going to be doing a timed essay. So the last paper, you'll have to write it under the pressure of time, and this is meant to prepare you for the final exam. And the final will be in week 7. So you can see that there's a lot to do in each week, so I encourage you to go to our Canvas course and explore the different topics. All the weeks will be visible to you before the semester begins, so you'll get a good idea of how much work you'll have to do. As I mentioned, 4 essays. You'll have 2 quizzes, but the quizzes you have 3 chances to improve your scores for each quiz. So they're meant to build skills, not just to punish you by grading you on something. You'll also have roughly 2 chapters a week in our book to read, plus a few other short readings and videos to watch. And you will have a couple of short writing assignments. If you have any questions during this semester, I encourage you, no, I require you to communicate with me. Because this is an online course, we're going to need to be in communication with each other. So if you have any question about assignments, please email me. And I look forward to working with all of you this semester and wish you a great 101 class.